Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be telling you the 9 lowest calorie alcoholic drinks. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So if you're looking to have a nice fun weekend and you don't want to consume like too many calories, or you notice like in my other videos I mentioned like you don't realize how many calories that you consume just by your beverages, then you came to the right place. So if you're looking to lose weight, decreasing the number of calories that you consume from alcohol can really help. So a lot of alcoholic drinks are loaded with calories and a ton of added sugars and sweeteners and things like that, and that can of course contribute to some weight gain along with a whole host of other issues. So alcohol should always be consumed in moderation when you're following a nice clean diet. So as part of a healthy, well-balanced diet, you want to always consume alcohol in moderation, but there are a lot of low-calorie options that won't compromise any other health goals or plans that you have for yourself. So today I have 9 of the best low-calorie alcoholic drinks along with some variations of them. So without further ado, let's get started. So number 1 is going to be a vodka soda. So this is just combining, vodka with an unflavored like club soda. There's only 133 calories in one serving, and one serving is about 7.5 ounces. It's one of the lowest drinks you can order when you're talking about mixed drinks. You can also add some cucumber or mint or lemon or lime to kind of spruce it up a little bit and give you some more flavor. Or instead of club soda, you can also use other sparkling waters. Number 2 is going to be white wine. Now I personally don't like white wine, but I know a ton of people who do. But white wine has just 123 calories in a serving, and this is going to be about 5-ounce glass. And what's good about this is there are so many different options when it comes to white wine. And you can always make a spritzer by adding some club soda or that sparkling water like I said before, or if you want to get fancy, you can go ahead and add like some slices of fruit or something like that to your white wine too. Number 3 is going to be a hard seltzer. Now this is going to be one of the more refreshing drinks of the bunch. It's a lower calorie alternative to, cocktails and beers and things like that. So hard seltzer is just kind of a combination of a seltzer water with an alcohol that's made from fermented cane sugar. And it's cool because it's typically available in like all different kinds of flavors. Now just to give you guys a number here, a mango hard seltzer contains about 99 calories, but since there's all different kinds of flavorings, the calorie number is gonna vary a little bit, so I'm just gonna give you guys like a mango for example. Number 4 is going to be tequila with lime. So this is going to be low in calories and very easy to make. So a shot of tequila with lime is going to be just 99 calories. Now, if drinking tequila straight like that isn't your thing, because it's not mine, you can always mix it again with, like a coconut water or a sparkling water or club soda or something like that and make a mixed drink. And if you don't like lime, mint is a good option here too. It's got a good flavor. And number 5 is going to be light beer. So with light beer, there's usually fewer calories and a lower alcohol content to normal beer. So this is a good option for you if you genuinely like the taste of beer, but you're looking to like lose some weight and not really waste calories on beer. So a 12 ounce of light beer is typically in like the 100 calorie range, but again, there's so many different brands and options out there that's just like an average. Number 6 is going to be a gin and diet tonic. So this is just made from like gin and tonic water that you just pour right over a cup with ice. So if you want to reduce some calories, you can go ahead and use a diet tonic water instead, or you can just use a normal tonic water. So there's going to be 128 calories in a gin and diet tonic water, and that's with using 2 ounces of gin and 4 ounces of diet tonic water. And you can keep messing with this too. You can use, less gin, more ice, more tonic water, whatever you guys want to do to kind of lower the calories a bit. Number 7 is going to be a dry martini. So a classic martini is typically gin, vermouth, some olives, or even like lemon wedges. So a dry martini is more gin and less vermouth, so you're going to have less calories here. So with about 2.5 ounces of gin and half an ounce of vermouth in your dry martini, you're going to be at about 185 calories. Number 8 is going to be Paloma. This is going to be tequila, lime, grapefruit juice, or soda over ice. Now you can go away with the sweetener or do a calorie-free gluten-free sweetener to decrease your calorie count because typically there is, some sugar added here. So for 169 calorie Paloma, this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to mix 1.5 ounces of tequila with 6 ounces of grapefruit juice, some ice, and then just a little bit of lime juice. Number 9 is going to be a Rum and Diet Coke. So this is also known as a Cuba Libre. Now I know Sean, his family, they love their Jack and Coke. But here you're going to be using white rum and Coca-Cola. So you can cut the calories from using a normal Coke to a Diet Coke. And if you want to know all about Diet Coke or Coke Zero, I have a video right up here that you guys can check out. So a rum and Diet Coke is going to be about 135 calories in a 7.5 ounce serving. And this is going to be about 33% less than a normal rum and Coke. So before I get into some tips, you guys know how I feel about most diet beverages and diet things. Now, I wouldn't necessarily recommend them over just normal stuff, but just for this video and the purposes of looking at calories and more calories versus less and cutting them in low caloric drinks, that's what I'm talking about here today. But my honest opinion, I would rather you just have, just normal Coke, even though I don't really recommend you drink that anyway, but I'd rather you drink that than like Diet Coke or Coke Zero. So now I'm going to get into some tips for cutting some more calories. So tip number 1, I would recommend you make your own drinks at home. A lot of these mixers that you buy have unnecessary added sugars and calories. Number 2, instead of adding all those sugars and syrups and things like that, use different herbs like mint, basil, lavender, things like that that don't have all of those calories and unnecessary ingredients. Number 3, opt for lower calorie or unsweetened options. So like I mentioned, like different sodas or tonic waters and stuff like that. These are going to have either way less or no calories at all. And number 4, just adjust the ratio of the ingredients of your drinks. Like add more ice or the sparkling waters or seltzers compared to the sodas and things like that. And remember, everything in moderation. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video, it would really help me a lot. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!